Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, respected Professor, fellow scholar, and everyone. On behalf of my group, I'm pleased to present our research paper titled A Case Study of the Geprek Benzoyl Treatment Dispute, Trademark, Price Protection, and Impact on Business Competition. Okay, to begin, allow me provide a brief overview the background and objective of our research. The Benzoyl trademark dispute between Ruben Onsu and PT Ayam Geprek Beni Sujeno has become one of the most prominent cases in trademark protection practice in Indonesia. These issues stem from a dispute over the use of the Benzoyl trademarks, which was subsequently decided by the Supreme Court in Decision number 1557 2020. This study aims to analyze the legal base behind this decision and assess its impact on business competition, particularly in the fast food industry in Indonesia, using a normative juridical approach through an analysis of law and regulation, course decision, and academic literature. This study find that the first to file principle in law number 20 of 2016 serve as the primary base for that trademark rights can impact competitive dynamics through the rise of consumer misdirection, potential market dominance, and economic implication for business. The study's finding emphasize the importance of timely and consistent trademark registration as a preventive measure to maintain a healthy business competition climate in Indonesia. Okay, let's now proceed to the next slides. We collaborated on this point. It's number 1. What is the chronology and legal basis of the Geprek Benzoyl trademark dispute between Ruben Onsu and PT Ayam Geprek Beni Sujeno? It's number 2. How is the force to file principle apply in the solving trademark dispute based on subcrime number 57 K Civil 2022? It's number 3. What is the impact of the Geprek Benzoyl trademark dispute on business competition in Indonesia, particularly in the fast food industry? Okay, having outlined the problem statement, we note on the methodology employed is our research. Is number 1, to systematically explain the legal basis and chronology of the Geprek Benzoyl trademark dispute. Number 2, to analyze the application of the first to file principle in resolving trademarks dispute and regulate in law number 20 of 2016. Number 3, to examine the impact of this trademark dispute on business competition and its implication for business in the fast food sector. Okay, with the methodology clarified, we know process to the discussion of the core issues. Next, we turn our attention of the substantive discussion of the problem identified. Writing method. This research use a normative juridical method which focus on examining applicable legal norms through an analysis on primary, secondary, and tertiary legal materials. This approach was adopted by reviewing relevant laws and regulation, court decision, and academic literature. Based on foregoing discussion, our conclusion are as follows. Is number 1, brand concept. A brand serves as a distinguishing mark and company's economic asset. Number 2, First, the five principles. Trademark rights are granted to the first party to register, not the first to use. Number 3, trademark dispute. Dispute arise when multiple parties claim a right over the same or similar trademarks, potentially harming the product's economic value. Number 4, business competition and brand identity. Market shift due consumer association with brand qualities. Economic losses from rebranding and risk of reputation issue by others. Economic perspective and relevant for the business world. Trademark law literature states that trademark dispute often arise when a brand becomes popular or highly valued. The Geprek Bensu case demonstrates that number 1, business need to prioritize trademark registration before expanding. Number 2, public figure must distinguish between personal names and trademarks. Number 3, the use of personal names as trademark must comply with formal legal requirement. Several academic studies also show that unclear brand ownership can reduce consumer trust and affect market stability, especially in highly competitive industry such as. Based on foregoing discussion, our conclusion are as follows. The Geprek Bensu trademark dispute between Ruben Onsu and PT Ayam Geprek Beni Sujono is a significant example of trademark protection practice in Indonesia, particularly regarding the application of the first to file principle in the national trademark law system. Based on analysis of the literature, law and regulation, and Supreme Court decision number 57 key civil IP case year 2022. The following conclusion can be drawn. First, this dispute demonstrates that trademark registration is a fundamental step in determining ownership of exclusive right. Using a personal name as the base for a trademark ownership claim cannot override registration priority. If another party has previously registered in good faith, this emphasizes that legal certainty in trademark protection can only be achieved through the format produced stipulated in law number 20 of 2060. Second, the dispute illustrates how conflict of a brand identity can impact business competition, particularly in the fast food industry. Certainly, our brand ownership can create consumer confusion, harm